Hey guys, it's Allie and I'm gonna do another tutorial. I'm trying to decide what song to do. Sorry, I'm kind of close. Please ignore this random ass table right behind me. It's just extra and I don't know what to do with it. So it's gonna be hanging out there for a little bit until I get what I want to get in this room, like a couch or a futon or something. Anyway, off point. I'm gonna sign the song Thank You Next, or I've already signed that song. I'm gonna actually do the tutorial for it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into it. I really like this song, by the way. That's why I'm doing this. I really like it, and I'm not like the hugest fan of Ariana Grande. I really like her. Like, I think her voice is amazing. Like, it's out of this world, but I don't know. Like, her songs have just been like, oh, cool, like, it's on. Like, everyone loves them. I'm just like, oh yeah, it's on. This song, I like wanna hear it over and over, and I don't know why. I just really like it, I guess. So anyway, we are gonna just jump right in and start with the first line, which is, thought I'd end up with Sean, but he wasn't a match. So I thought I'd marry Sean, just spell it, but didn't work. So I thought I'd marry Sean, but not work. Or, yeah, or match, but I would just say not work. So wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh. So wrote some songs, I'm still too close. Okay, so wrote some songs, but no, okay, so sorry, wrote some songs about Ricky, so all the names are spelling out. Now I listen and laugh. So now I listen and laugh at them. By the way, we're mentioning there's Sean, Ricky, and then Pete and Malcolm, but because she goes in, like, talks about three main people, I'm using different directions for these people. So I'm starting out here. So thought I'd marry Sean, but it didn't work. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh, and then I'm gonna turn my body again and say, even almost got married, and for Pete I'm so thankful. So almost, the sign for almost got married, and for Pete I'm so grateful, so thank you. Wish I could say thank you to Malcolm because he was an angel. So wish, this sign, wish I could say thank you, Malcolm, because he was an angel. So because, why? He, and then obviously just point up because, you know, it's up there. He, angel. One taught me love. So this is, again, we're going through like each person, and there's three things that we're talking about. So we're gonna focus on those three people and the three areas that we put them in. So one taught me love. So one taught, this is the same for teach. One taught me love. One, now we're facing here. One taught me patience. And then turn our body again. One taught, one taught me pain. now I'm so amazing. So now I'm amazing, or like wonderful, incredible, whatever. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So in the past, I've loved and lost. So both two different things. We're gonna shift our bodies again. But in the past. And so then we'd say, now I'm amazing. So look what I've got. So, but, oh my gosh. Okay, so I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So then you say, not what I focus on, not my focus. But that's not what I see. So look what I've got. So look at me now. Look at me. And it says, look what you taught me. So look what you taught me. I think later I say, look what I learned. That's what you could say too. So there's a couple different ways that you could say that. For that, I say, so for that, for those reasons that we just put out there, for that, those, I say, and then she goes into the chorus, which is, thank you next, thank you next, thank you next. So again, I'm going back to the different directions to talk about this person, this person, this person, to talk about different times, different sections. So I'm gonna focus on this person that we were talking about, which in my case, if we go back, we're talking about Sean, we're talking about Ricky, we're talking about Pete, which I believe is what she's talking about in her lyrics. So thank you next. So we do the same for thank you, and then I'm doing the sign move on, which is me moving on from you. So I'm gonna focus on this person. Thank you next. Thank you next. Thank you next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. So I just did, I'm thankful, 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 thankful for my, and then just spell out X, E-X. And then again, we're going back in and saying, thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking, and then it just kind of cut off. So then the next lyrics are, spend more time with my friends, I ain't worried about nothing. So I did hang out with my friends more, I ain't worried about nothing. So me worried about nothing. I'm worried? Nah, nothing. Plus I met someone else, so I met someone else. I met somebody else, other. We having better discussions, so our conversations better. And I know they say I move on too fast, but this one's gonna last. So I know those people over there, whoever they are, could be the guys, it could be the public, whatever. So they say I move on or continue or move on. You can even do back to this. Move on fast, but this one going last. So, but now it's gonna continue. So, but now it's gonna continue. You can do forever, whatever you want to do. So, but this one's gonna last because her name is Ari, and I'm so good with that. So, why is it gonna last? Because name Ari, and then I put to myself because I'm talking about myself because her name is Ari and she's the one writing and singing the song. So, because name Ari, me, and I'm so good with that. And then you could be like, I'm amazing, or I'm fine, I'm good, whatever. She taught me love, she taught me patience, She handles pain. Okay, so then again, we're talking about the same different directions, but now I'm just listing things that I taught myself because I've learned to love myself, etc. So I taught myself love, I taught myself patience, pain, I'm amazing, this shit's amazing, yeah, so I'm amazing. I've loved and I've lost, but that's not what I see. So past, I've loved and lost, but that's not my focus. Cause look what I've found, ain't no need for searching. So look what I learned. This is when I say that. Look what I learned. You didn't teach me, so that's the difference between look what you taught me and look what I learned. And no need for searching. So searching, not needed. No need. So I don't need to go searching for another guy. I'm good with myself. So for that, for the reasons I just stated, I say thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so fucking grateful for my ex. So I'm grateful for my ex. And then again, thank you, next, thank you, next, thank you, next. I'm so grateful for my ex. And then again, thank you, next, thank you, next. It's kind of an easy song because there's so much repetition on thank you, next. And then she goes in and says, one day I'll walk down the aisle holding hands with my mama. So one day, future, and then you do aisle, I walk down. This is gonna represent you walking down the aisle. Aisle, I walk down with who? So with my mama, with my mom, or sorry, holding hands with my mama. So holding hands with my mom. I'll be thanking my dad, so thanking my dad because she grew from the drama, sorry. Because because my mom is what I'm assuming. Yeah, because my mom moved on the drama, moved past that drama. Only want to do it once real bad. So do it only once. Only one time. Gonna make that shit last, so gonna continue forever. Continue forever. God forbid something happens, so if something happens, so I wanted to continue forever, but if something happens, at least this song is a smash. So at least this song is amazing. I've got so much pain, just kidding. I've got so much love, got so much patience. I've learned from the pain, so I have so much, I have so much love, and then you say so much patience. I learned from pain, but pain, I turned out amazing. So now I'm amazing because all these bad things, I'm amazing because I've learned from it. I'm like dissecting the meaning of this song, and this video is more about the sign, so I'm sorry, but in order to like interpret the song, you have to like have your own interpretation of what she means. So they kind of go hand in hand. Anyway, so then again, I've loved and I've lost. So past, I've loved and lost, but that's not what I see. So, but it's not my focus, not my focus. 'Cause look what I've found. So look what I've learned. Look at me. Ain't no need for searching. And for that, I'll say so. Searching, not needed. No need. For that, I say thank you next, thank you next, thank you next. I'm so grateful. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for my ex. Thank you next, thank you next, thank you next. I'm so grateful for my ex. And then just continues. Thank you next, thank you next. And then that's the end of the song. So I hope that this was helpful. Like I said, I really do like this song. I enjoyed signing it. I think that she did an awesome job, and hopefully I helped you learn it in some way. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down in the comments what you would like me to sign next. It could be a tutorial, it could be just me singing a song. Let me know. I appreciate the feedback. Thanks guys, I'll see you later. Bye.